Hello students, welcome to the English literature class. Dear students, in this video I will be revising the chapter 1, that is To the Ferry. Dear students, we know about this poem and the title of the poem is To the Ferry, which is composed by uh, authoress B.J. Lee, and she is from Britain. And we'll see the poem once again. Down we go to Shawshank Ferry, just beyond Van Doren's dairy. The man says it will be a while, so into the dairy we all pile. So we know, and we already studied. Once again, we are revising that these all people, they were where they were near the Shawshank Ferry, and they were wanted to go to for the small trip. But and they were waiting for the ferry. Ferry means here a ship, a boat which carries the passengers or goods. So they were waiting for the ferry. But what happened when they were near the dock, near a place where the ferry, from where the passenger climb into the ferry, that place they were all were waiting for the ferry. But what happened? Ferry or ship did not come on time. So one man says it will be a while, so into the dairy we all file. So one man suggests all the people that let us go to the dairy, a place where we have all kind of milk products, ice cream and so many things. So after when he suggested like that, all the people went to the dairy. There was a dairy also, okay, and have ourselves an ice cream cone. That's when we heard the fairies drone. So they all the people, including some children, they went to the dairy and they start having ice cream. They were having ice cream and they were waiting that if a ferry comes, because of its that humming sound, so called drone, that humming sound of the ship, that is called drone. If they hear the sound of drone, they will once again come back and they will go to the ferry or they will get into the ship. But what happens? We run outside down to the slip. The ferry is gone. We have missed our trip. But what happened? They were so much involved in having the dairy products like ice cream and all, and especially the ice cream cone, that they forgot the timing. And what happened? Ferry came. Ferry means a ship arrived and already gone, and they missed the trip. So what happened? See, our mouths turned down, it's been our dream, then we go have some more ice cream. But what happened? They were not very sad. They were not very sad. Of course, little bit they may be feeling, but afterwards again they thought of having some more ice cream. It was like an excuse. Arey, ferry is already gone. We could not get into the ship or ferry. So let us once again go to the dairy and have some more ice cream. So the moral is that suppose if we love something, so for that we can make any kind of excuses, because we have lot of love or lot of interest in particular the thing. Okay, so for that we miss something, we sacrifice something, but if we love that thing, we can do, we can make, or we can do any thing for that. We can make any excuse for that. So this is the actually the meaning or the kind of summary of this poem. So once again, now we'll revise the word meaning which you have already written the copy. I am through the book only, I am making you to revise. Ferry, a boat or ship for carrying passengers and goods across a stream. Dairy, a building or room for the processing, storage, and distribution of milk and milk products. Drone, a continuous low humming sound. Slip, a gradual way to board a boat. Quay, slip means a place from where we board into the boat or a ship, from where we get into the ship. Trip, a journey or excursion, especially for pleasure. Trip. So these are the word meanings of this chapter. We'll see one more exercise. So we have comprehension, and first exercise is tick the correct option. Tick the correct option. So first question is, the people in this poem want to buy ice cream because, what is the correct answer? They have some time to spare before the ferry arrives. They were thinking that ferry is now late, so meanwhile we can have some more ice cream. That's why option number 3 is the correct. So I have put it tick mark here. Okay. A ferry is what? So the right answer is, here two options are in. Both are can be correct. That first one is wrong. A magical flying human, like, it is wrong. So second one, a boat that brings food, of course the boat, ferry or ship, does that work, it brings the food. And second, a boat that carries people or automobile, it also carries people or even the automobile. So both the options are correct. Number 3, a dairy is what? A dairy is a place where ice cream and milk products are made or sold. So the second option is correct. So dear students, in this video I have I just summarized the poem, the word meaning, and the first tick the correct option exercise. We'll in the next video and we'll revise the other question answers and exercises of this chapter. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.